Staying hydrated is super important, but I have a question for you. Are you going to your water? Or are you letting your water come to you? Because it oddly will make quite a big difference. If I bring my face and my mouth to my water bottle, it interferes with my airway and puts lots of tension in my neck. That'll make it harder to do things like swallow pills and make it easier to choke. If I let the water come to me, my job is to attend to my head balance on the top of my spine and let that whole structure balance over my base, which right now is my ankle joints. Then I use all my arm joints that can move to bring that water all the way to my mouth. And then a very small tip will do the job just fine. It makes the water taste better, it keeps the tension out of my neck, and it's kind of fun to pay attention to. Share the video and check back soon for more.